What are we doing? Deep fried cookie dough. Poor guy here. Got Tori and Dawn with us. There's the cookie dough. Tori actually made that, and we're going to deep fry it. Why? Because it sounds good. She just made her cookie dough. I don't know how she made it. There's some mini chocolate chips in there. I said, hey, I said, hey, Tori, don't put as many chocolate chips in there because I don't know what's going to happen. That's pancake batter. We're going to dunk those in there, and we're going to deep fry them outside. It's like 100 freaking degrees out. Why am I doing this outside? I'm an idiot. Poor guy outdoor cooking. If it's 100 degrees out, do it on the stove. But I'm not going to. I'm going to do it on the camp chef with some oil. And I'm going to go out there and get the oil warmed up to approximately 350 degrees. Okay. Ball of energy today. Meet me outside if you want to. Peace. Hey, we're outdoors, outside. Listen, it's hot out, so I put these balls in here with a little ice thing. The oil is up to 350-ish, so let's get this going. Do I want to do my left hand or my right hand? I'm going to do my left hand because that's what I got on here. So let's put these in here. Kind of like that, right? I don't know. And let's drop them in. Bloop. Let's do some of these. I got 20 because there's 4 of us, so I figure 5 a piece is appropriate. Yep. I'm very good at frying. Tori, take a look at that frying stuff there. See that? It's sticking to my hands a little bit. I'm trying to be careful. That's why the dogs aren't out here. Is there a better way to do this?
A fork, perhaps. Get a fork or tongs.
Yeah, that probably would have been better, huh? Yeah, maybe. Thanks, honey. She's going to go get me some tongs. Because sometimes... Short's fine. I think there's some right in the garage there. That probably would have been better. So, if you're new to PoorGuy Outdoor Cooking, I come up with ideas. I'm not saying that I'm really good at them, but I give them a try. So let's go with that for now. And then I got this glove. I'm going to discard this glove because it's just not handy. It's not handy for me. Watch this. Bloop. Okay, I got this from my mother because the last time I deep fried a video, she's like, you need a spider. So she sent me this. Oh, they're sticking a little bit. Sticking to the bottom. We're just going to move them around a little bit. They might not be the most picturesque deep fried meatballs, but whoa. Meatballs, I said meatballs. Cookie dough. I told you guys I'm tired today, man. I'm tired. We're all tired here.
It smells good.
So, yeah, they look like little Martians. Yeah, they look a little bit like hush puppies. So, I think once I get these first ones fried, oh boy, yeah, we'll get these little crispy pieces that are floating in here. We'll get them out of here too. I want to get them somewhat. What do you think?
I think the golden ones are like that.
Yeah, let's put that over there. That one I think is a leaker. And I'll probably go ahead and take these little, oh, that one's a leaker too. So that one looks okay. I saw somebody do these, and I tell you, they really did a really professional job with them. They came out perfectly round and whatnot. But not me. So I need to get these out of here. Where do I go with these? Yeah, I'll just push these over here. I don't know if I'm going to do all 20 of them, but... So here's the tongs. Let's see how this goes. These were, these cookie dough balls, they were in the refrigerator for most of the day. So, just so you know about that. This is a lot easier. Good idea, honey. Good idea. I'm getting little drips of pancake batter all over the patio. The dogs aren't out here because I get nervous with the oil. Let's just do a few more of these and call it a day. What do you say, guys?
Yeah. They do look like sex puppies.
I might fry the rest of them afterwards because I got all that batter in there, you know. I think these are turning out a little bit better with the tongs. So yeah, I was thinking, what should I do this weekend? And I couldn't come up with anything. So Tori's been making edible cookie dough lately, and I was like, what the hey, why not try this? And it'll be something a little sweet, tasty goodness, hopefully. Yeah. All right.
It's gonna taste good.
Let's hope, huh? Okay, we're gonna stop with that. We'll put these in here so they don't melt. And then let me get rid of these little crispy pieces. Don't watch me now. Okay. I'm such an idiot. There we go. These are looking a little bit better. These are looking a little bit better. Just frying them, getting them golden brown. And then we'll see what it turns out like in the house with a taste test. Does anybody know if Aiden's asleep?
I don't think he is.
I hope he is. I mean, we'll see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is looking good. So how do people do these and not get these little Klingons? That's what
Maybe it's like the batter that they use.
Maybe, huh? I mean, it's not bad. But I did see some lady do it, and they're like, came out perfectly round, and, well, those are good.
That looks good.
We'll use those for the thumbnail, because thumbnails, they attract people's attention. Yeah,
That's true.
something I'm told. Okay, here's the last one for now. And then we're going to go in the house and dress them up and give them a taste. Peace. Look at it. Looks nice. I really outdid myself this time. What do you guys say we give them a try?
Yeah.
Okay.
I get this one.
I'll go with this one.
You ready?
Get some more sugar in there.
And you want more pepper? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, it definitely got melty in there. I'm liking them.
They're good.
Well,
I like it.
yeah, I like it a lot. Just what you might expect. Gooey, cookie dough and a little crunchy shell.
That's yummy.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah, these are good. Check it out. It actually worked. I'm surprised.
Yummy.
Okay. Well, energetic, fun, good times.
Woo!